Lenovo Ideapad 5 2-in-1 Core 5 16 GB RAM 512 SSD 14-inch OLED laptop. I'm going to show you how to reset the Windows. This is the unit. So Windows going to reset as a factory setting. In the search you need to type recovery option. Okay, here you can see recovery option. Click that. After choosing the recovery option, you can open here, and here you can see all the option. Fix the problem with the restarting your PC. I'm going to do factory setting as a factory reset. Here you can see reset this PC option. I'm selecting. Here two options: remove app setting but keep your personal file, and the second option removes all of your personal file, apps and setting. So I'm just removing my all data as a factory reset I'm doing now. If you're having important data, don't choose this one, choose the first option. So I don't need any data, I'm just doing factory reset. So here you can see cloud downloaded and local reinstall. I'm just choosing the local reinstall, and next. So here all data going to remove and reinstalling the PC. So starting 1%. So it will take some time. So make sure if you want to remove all your data, choose this option. Otherwise don't choose this option if you are having any important data on your PC. So restarting the PC 9%. So it will take 40 minutes to do factory reset of Lenovo Ideapad 5 2-in-1 laptop. 93%, 99%. So the PC is going to restart. Preparing. Almost done. So after factory reset, the unit will start like this. So you need to do the setup and then use. This is a full factory setting. All data removed, all file removed, all applications removed, using as a factory reset. So thank you for watching. Please like the video.